So from assignment 3.3, here's number 9. Finding the equation of a tangent line. So the equation of a tangent line is finding the slope and the point. We've already got the point. We need to find the slope. So we take the derivative, and when you take this derivative, you have to notice that, oh, I'm going to need the product rule here. So the first times the derivative of the second plus the derivative of the first, and derivative of 4e to the x is 4e to the x times the second. So that tells me the slope at any point, and then I'll plug in 0 for all the x's to find the slope at 0, 4. E to the 0 is just 1. Sine of 0 is 0, so I'm picturing unit circle here, right? We're right here. Plus 4, e to the 0 is 1, cosine of 0 is 1. All of this, I end up with 4. So the derivative at 0 is 4, which tells me the slope is 4. Here's your point, here's your slope. Y minus the y coordinate equals the slope. X minus the x coordinate. We can simplify this one a little bit. So there's number 9. Number 12 has a lot of simplifying.